Welcome to another Tableau tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a donut chart. First thing we're going to do is we're going to come and create a new field. We're just going to call this donut. And we're just going to give this a placeholder value, so we're just going to call it 1. It's going to show up under measures because it's a number. What we're going to do is we're going to bring this up under dimensions, and then we're going to bring the dimension over to the rows. That gives you the first value. We actually want this to be a pie chart, so we're going to make this continuous. And then we're going to do this again. Pie chart or donut over here, make this continuous. Now we're going to come, you see you'll have two donuts, donut and donut 2. We're going to come and we're going to change the donut, because this is going to be the ring. This is going to be in the back. In donut 2, we're going to just change this to a circle. This is going to be in the front. And now we're going to, come over, right-click, dual axis. Now they're on top of each other. I'm going to synchronize. I just get in the habit of synchronizing the axis whenever I do a dual axis. They're already the same value, so there won't be any difference. Now if we come to circle 2, we're going to change the color to white. Now it disappears. Now if we play with the size a little bit, sorry, it's a little bit tricky because I'm a donut instead of donut 2. There we have the beginnings of our donut chart. Well, we want to add the color, so we're going to bring the segment to the color card. Now you'll notice, it may be hard to see this, but these are all equal segments. We're just bringing the segment, there's 3 segments over to color, they each get an equal weighting. So to change the proportion, we're going to bring sales to size. And now the size is a little better aligned. We're going to make this, try and make this a little bit bigger. There we go. And next option is to bring store. You've got multiple stores, you want to compare them. So you've got different stores down here. Let's see. We'd like to put the store, not sure why the what we really want to do is, instead of size on the side, sales on side, we want sales on angle. And then you're going to have more of what you're looking for. We can readjust this back up a little bit. Okay. Now you've got your store label down here, but it would be really nice if we could get them in the center. So let's grab the store under donut 2. That's the inside, that's the pie. Bring the store onto label. And you notice the label is down below. What we want to do is come in here, change the alignment, put it into the middle. There you go. To make it a little more readable, you may have to expand this out a bit so you can get it all red. Get rid of the headers. And then you could also go back up to donut and you could add labels, sales on the label. We'll actually change that to percent of sales. Tricky part here is, now that you've got the chart, is trying to get the spacing right. Pull this open a little bit. You can see it's proportionally growing the size. So we'll come over here to donut sales. We'll make this a little bit smaller. And then we can't make it too much smaller because it's stored by the bay. Come into the first donut. We'll change the size there. And now you've got a little bit more space in between the items. Once again, you can take off that. You got a line here. You don't want that. Come format. We're going to do lines. Here you go, grid lines on the rows. And there you go.